Realistic bunny and robot puppy. AI pets are marketed as interactive, lifelike robotic companions designed to mimic the behavior of real animals, offering comfort and entertainment without the responsibilities of pet ownership. While the concept is charming and appeals to both children and adults, many are questioning whether these AI pets are worth the investment or just a scam. Some users praise their adorable designs, realistic movements, and interactive features, such as responding to touch and sound, which make them fun and engaging. However, there are significant concerns. Many customers report issues with durability, as these gadgets often stop working correctly after a short period. Others mention loud motor noises, poor battery life, and unrealistic expectations set by marketing materials. Additionally, the high price point raises questions about their value, especially when compared to simpler toys or even adopting a real pet. The lack of long-term functionality and inconsistent performance further add to skepticism. In a nutshell, while realistic bunny and robot puppy AI pets may seem innovative and fun, their inconsistent quality and steep cost make them hard to justify for most buyers. Consider your needs carefully before purchasing. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.